All right, so look, bro, check this out. So I got the Ray-Ban Metas on right now. This is why I got my face. But now, when I come outside, I want y'all to pay attention to something real quick. So I'm gonna get in the sun. Let me just stand like, I don't know, like right here or something. Just give it a second. Hold up a second. Don't just darken up on me. Now these sunglasses. The Ray-Ban Metas is probably the only glasses that actually got me to wear glasses before. Like, I never wore glasses before, but now I do because the Ray-Ban Metas. So with that being said, I gotta go ahead and tell you about these things, bro, because I swear to God, these are one of the best things I got. I ain't never recorded no whole video off the DJI Osmo Pocket before, so this gonna be new for me, besides that CES video. So I had these since at least November 9, 2024, and right now it's February 20th, so that's about over 3 months. So I wanna go give y'all a rundown on how I feel about these Ray-Ban Metas that I got right here in my face. These are the mediums. And these just turn on automatically when I put it on my face. So that's what happens when you put it on your face, it just turns on automatically and it connects to your phone. So that's pretty dope. It doesn't even turn on when you take it out the case, it turns on when you unfold it and put it on your face. So I don't know. How y'all think I look with these? I ain't gonna cap, me personally, I look better without glasses. And like for the longest time, I never wore glasses, but I wanted some good sunglasses. So that's why I got the Ray-Ban Metas, because I wanted all the features too. But when I went to CES, I think it was like 2023, 2024, something like that. Everybody and their baby mama had these. Like everybody had the Ray-Ban Metas and everybody had this camera too. Can it really be that good, man? Like, is it really that good that everybody got them? So I wanted to go and try it out for myself, and I wanted to see what all the hype was about. Cause I heard about the Ray-Ban Metas, but I ain't really heard like too much about it besides until like when I got to CES. So yeah, like I said, I don't wear glasses and nothing like that, but I wanted some good quality pair of sunglasses. So I got these because I wanted some indoor glasses too that I could just wear wherever I want. And I wanted to have like all the features or whatever. I ain't want to just be limited to wearing these outside. So these are transitions. So I got the Ray-Ban transitions because I thought that was going to be best for me. And so far it's been. So like you saw in the beginning clip how that worked out for me. And that's exactly why in this first part of the review, I'm going to wear this inside. And then on the second part of this review, I'm going to hop to my whip and I'm going to record it from there too. But yeah, I did my unboxing on these and these did pretty decent in views, man. I'm not going to lie. Like y'all kind of ate up that video, bro. But yeah, I got the Wayfarers and everything. Obviously, like I said, I don't wear glasses, so I don't got prescription or nothing. I could just see normally. I know that's a blessing because like not everybody can see like as clear as I can. I know folks that be blind as hell without glasses. So I just got me some regular Ray-Ban Meta transitions that just look like, I don't know, just transparent glasses. But the thing about the Ray-Ban Metas is when you wear these, they look like regular glasses. The only way you're gonna be able to notice that they aren't regular glasses is, check this out. Let me go ahead and turn these on and then you'll see like there'll be a light right up here, but you can also see the cameras up here too. But I mean like when I walk around, you can't really tell that these are cameras or nothing like that. Like they just still look like regular glasses. Like I said, really the only time you can tell that these aren't regular glasses is when you do this. And then you got a whole ass light beaming out the side right here, which you can't turn off when you record, by the way. So when you're recording, that light has to stay on because if you block it, they will turn off the actual camera. Now, surprisingly, I'm blocking it right now. And the camera ain't turning off. Usually it does turn off, but I think it's still recording right now. That's crazy. But yeah, usually when you record with these things, if you block that light right there, it turns off the camera for privacy reasons. Cause you know, folks are scared of like Facebook or whatever and just cameras, even though everywhere you go, there's cameras. So I don't know what's to be scared about, bro. Like if you walk outside, you automatically lose all your sense of privacy cause like where ain't there cameras anymore? But there's another light on these glasses. So it's right here in the peripheral of your right eye. So it's right around here. And if you get a notification or something like that, it'll flash, or if they're dying or whatever, it'll just alert you. Just kind of like those old Android phones with the LED notification at the top. Same exact thing basically. But let's go and talk about recording. So if you want to go and record a video, it's going to record up to 3 minutes. So by default, I'm pretty sure it's on a minute, but I was just like, that's way too short. Like with some action going down, something like that. I've gotten pulled over with these glasses and I recorded the whole thing. And like, how long is the traffic stop going to be? It's going to be longer than a minute. It was longer than 3 minutes, but at least I could just go ahead and make sure it's still recording. I don't got to keep starting it back up in front of the cop or whatever. And if you want to go and record a video, there's a button right up here on the glasses that you can just press and hold on to, and then it starts recording for you, as you can see with the light turned on. And if you want to go and stop recording, you just press the button again and it stops recording. So if you want to go and take a picture, you just click it once and it takes a picture for you. Now, one dope thing is if you take a picture and your hair is in the way, like I got dreads, so I got my hat on right now, so my dreads ain't up in the way. But if I take a picture and my dreads in the way, it's gonna tell me that in the glasses because it got speakers. Or I could just do this. Hey Meta, take a picture. It just took a picture for me. Now the same location where that button's at, there's actually a speaker right below it. And there's a speaker for each of your ears, so that's pretty dope. Hey Meta, take a video. Now it's recording. Damn, this is pretty dope. All right, hey Meta, stop recording. Boom. Now you heard me just saying the whole hey Meta thing right there, right? So I also want you to check this out. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? It just took a picture.
Looking at a computer desk with a keyboard, monitor, and other computer equipment.
I mean, they ain't lying. Hey Meta, what kind of phone is this? Let's see if we can pick it up or not.
This is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series smartphone.
What? Okay, that's pretty dope. I didn't think it was gonna get that. Hey Meta, what kind of mouse is this? Let's see if I can get this. It's a Logitech MX Master 3.
This is a computer mouse, specifically a wireless mouse.
I mean, I'll leave it at that.
Message on your phone.
Oh, and did you hear that? So it just told me that I got a message. So it's not gonna read out the message, or I could ask it to, but I don't want it to set up like that. So it has AI in it, and it's pretty dope. Now it also has this feature called Follow My Eyes or Be My Eyes. It's called Be My Eyes. So there's an app called Be My Eyes where if you're visually impaired, you can actually use these glasses and somebody could talk to you to tell you what you're looking at. All I gotta say is, man, technology is crazy, bro. I love it. Now let's try something different here. Let's see. Play Player Part by G Herbo. The only reason why I asked Google to play some music is because of this, so check this out. Let me turn this down a little bit. Hey Meta, what's this song?
Listening now, Shazam found Play Your Part, featuring Chris Brown by G Herbo.
That's dope.
In the MetaView app.
That's dope. That's dope. I like that. So basically, you can use your glasses to Shazam music now. It's actually a new feature that they put out in the recent update. So there's some memories I made with these because of the glasses being on my face and I really have to touch my phone. So it's actually pretty dope. And there's a lot of things I record on it, like me and my girl going out on a date, the whole CES 2025 thing, me getting pulled over by the cops. I forgot how many times. I got a video of me playing with my dog. I got a video of me driving down the street. I got a video of a Lil Uzi Vert Milwaukee concert. Like, there's just so much stuff I've been able to capture on these glasses. It's actually pretty dope, man. I love it. And then, of course, there's things like I told you it has a speaker. So I could talk on the phone with these and folks see me clearly. Like, they think I'm on my regular phone, but they're like, I'm not. I'm talking on the glasses and they have no problem hearing me. So that's dope. Now, I heard there was some problems with the Ray-Ban Metas. I don't know if it was with the last gens or what, but like with the Ray-Ban Metas, apparently like it feels like covering your nose or something like that. Some folks couldn't hear you on the phone, but I had nobody complain about it. But the only problem I really had with it is I got it connected to my Z Fold 6 and sometimes it just randomly just disconnects. Well, it won't disconnect. I'll click on the Bluetooth button in the middle of the call, but it just won't go back to the glasses. It just refuses to, and I don't know why. They could have fixed that by now, but I haven't seen it really fixed yet. I haven't talked on the phone yet, but I mean, like, it was just randomly disconnected, and I don't know why. So in order for me to fix it, I would turn off the Bluetooth on my phone and turn it back on, and it works fine. So, like, when I use my Galaxy Buds, it don't do that, though. So I don't really know what's going on, but I hope Meta fixes that, man, because it get mad annoying real quick. But it's also clutch, because, like, when I'm on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or whatever, I don't really have to play it through my phone speaker. I could just hear it myself, because I just pull up TikTok and it plays it right through the speakers on the glasses. So with these over here,
just come inside. This shit is not a game.
It's actually like folks can hear you if you have the volume turned up all the way, but like sometimes say they can't even hear you. Maybe if you got it around like 70% volume or something like that, like I usually got it at, nobody can really hear you. But if you turn it up to like 150 like I got on my phone, then they probably gonna hear you. And of course that means you can listen to Spotify. You can really just do whatever you want on these glasses. And there's also a touchpad right over here, so I'm pretty sure if I press and hold on to it, that's how I was set.
Spotify isn't responding.
Spotify isn't responding. I don't know why. Let's try that again. So if I press and hold on to it, that's how I have it set up, to press and hold on to it and Spotify plays.
Spotify isn't responding.
I don't know why it's not working.
Spotify app, log in, and try again.
I don't know why she gotta catch her breath while she talking like that. But yeah, with the touchpad, you can end calls, you can accept calls, you can turn down the volume by swiping back, you can swipe forward to turn up the volume. Like, there's a lot going on with these. And then lastly, inside the glasses, there's actually a switch. So if you want to go and just turn it off completely, you want to just completely shut it down, or you gotta go and reset it or whatever, you could just hit this switch inside and you can just turn it off. Now, in terms of like fitting on my face, it was at first heavy, but then I got used to it. Like I complained about how heavy these glasses were, and then I kind of got used to it, so I'm good now. But I will say I probably should have gotten the largest, because I got the regular sizes, and they kind of hurt right around where my ears are, just above my ears sometimes, because it's just bothering me. And apparently, my boy Plain Rock 124, Plain Rock Vlogs, you probably know him. He was destroying shit on YouTube or whatever for a while. He still do it. I was at his crib, and he was telling me about like how he has that problem too. I was telling him how like they just uncomfortable in my face, and he said he did some kind of thing to make it more loose on his face. So I don't know what he did, but I wanted to get these because if I'm like moving around and all that, I ain't want the glass to fall off my face. So I think I would rather kind of just deal with this for now, because like after maybe about an hour or something like that, then it get uncomfortable for me. So speaking of time, let's go and talk about the battery life up on here. So it depends how you use it. If you just kind of use it for notifications and things like that, maybe watching TikToks or whatever on your phone, it's probably gonna last you, I would say, throughout the whole day. Now, if you playing music all day and you taking calls all day and doing all that crazy stuff, then you probably gonna need to keep some charge up in here in this case. So this case is the charger case. You just open it up, and then you just put the glasses right there in those connectors at the bottom, and you can see you have an LED indicator to let you know how much battery you got on the case or the glasses. And at the bottom, it has a USB-C port. So that's the only way you can charge it. If you lose this case, you're assed out, bro. And shout out to my boy Simply Pops, because I'm gonna expose him again. He lost the glasses at CES, and I feel bad for him. I tried to help him find it, but we didn't even end up finding it. But you need these to go ahead and charge your Ray-Ban Metas. But he lost this at some kind of Samsung event, I think it was. And like, man, I just let him borrow my glass case and then just charge his up until we can hopefully find his. But yeah, if you're using it heavy, it's probably gonna last you about, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours until you gotta put these back in here, but they charge quick. I wanna say that I'm pretty much good after about a half-hour charge, and like after that, I could just use it again all day, and I'm straight. So my brother got these, and that was his first complaint. He didn't really like the battery life on the glasses, but I'm just like, I don't know really how much you can complain. I've thought about this in the Insta360 Go 3S2 because it's a tiny camera, but these are tiny glasses, so like, I don't know how long they can make the battery in these. I mean, I feel like it's already slim enough to the point where like, I don't know what else you could really do to make the battery life longer on here. Cause you gotta balance out like the weight, you gotta balance out the battery life and like the size of the glasses. So I feel like this is like a good compromise for me. Now, I also told you I want to continue recording this video in the whip, so let's do this. I'm outside right now. I'm trying to see if it'll just darken up real quick, but it ain't doing nothing yet. No, okay, never mind. Okay, no, it's definitely darkening now. Okay, never mind. Oh, my bad. Damn, this camera look good, man. Oh, I can't get over it. So now I can kind of get a feel for the sunglasses aspect for it. But now, let me go show what the app look like a little bit. So if you want to go and use these glasses, you're going to need the MetaView app. It's on Android and iOS. You can't see nothing right now on my phone, so I'm going to have to go and do something else. So this right here is going to be everything you'll ever need. So I never really pay attention to this. It's just like the what's new and what's good with the glasses or whatever. But over here is the gallery. So this is everything that's going to sync by itself. So it's going to be all your pictures, your videos, or whatever you take with the glasses, as you can see here, and then you can import it if you want or post it on IG Reels or Instagram post stories or whatever it is. I can play back videos I was watching, and it's actually playing back on the glasses right now. It's not even playing through the phone. I can look at all the picture videos I got, and I could go over here and see the Meta AI, so I can see everything I want to do with that. And it shows me a whole list of everything that I asked Meta AI. So it's going to show me like the mouse and everything, and show me a picture of what it was looking at. I can see like Spotify. I asked it to tell me what song I was listening to. It's a whole bunch of stuff up in here. And then I got the settings. So I got the Wayfarers, and I can see how much battery I got. I can go to my glasses and change like the wear detection, the notification LED brightness, everything like that. So this is only going to be for the notification light. This ain't going to be for the outside light. You can't change the brightness or anything like that. You got your general, so I can force restart it. I can factory reset it. I can do a bunch of stuff. I got the gestures, so I can go ahead and control that if I want to. So like I was telling you, you got the touchpad, so I can customize that for Spotify or whatever I want to do with that. The capture button, I can go and customize that to the way I want. I can change the audio, communication, accessibility. Like there's a bunch of different stuff you can do with this. Connected apps. You can connect it to Wi-Fi to update it by itself. And it's just, like I said, there's a lot of different stuff you can do with the app, man. Like it's a really good app in my opinion. So overall, in my opinion, what do I feel about the Ray-Ban Metas? So the Ray-Ban's always been like a fashion statement, right? Like everybody know that with Ray-Bans. So Ray-Ban and Facebook kind of came together and they made the Ray-Ban Meta. So how do I feel about them? Me personally, I love my Ray-Ban Metas and I wouldn't want to get rid of these, but they do cost a lot, especially for the transitions. But you're also paying for the fact that it got all this technology up in there and then that, you know, Meta owns it and everything. So like you got to take accountability of all that. So for my transitions, these cost $400. So you can't get it cheaper. I think it's like $300 without the transitions. But yeah, $400 if you want to get the transitions. So in my opinion, how I feel about it and do I recommend it? Me personally, yeah. So the only reason why I say that is because, like, you know, you don't got a screen or nothing like that when you use the glasses, but like there's still some good looking glasses. They're a fashion statement. If you go out, you're gonna want to throw these on like I do. I be having my chain on and everything, my little Nike jacket, maybe I don't know, maybe my other jacket I got from Attitudes. When I go out with my girl, I throw these glasses on. Sometimes I'll just throw it on just because I want to get the notifications and talk on the phone or whatever else like that. Cause like it's way easier to do that than talking to my Galaxy Watch or something. And it's way better because, like, you know, you got this open ear design. I could just talk to somebody like this and I could just listen to music or whatever, but I can still hear everything going on around me. So in my opinion, I would say yeah. And I don't even wear glasses. That's the crazy part. These things really got me wearing glasses. I never wore glasses before. Like, it's crazy to think that some Ray-Ban Metas got me wearing glasses, man. Like, it's so dope. And the fact that these can die, but you could charge these up maybe like 2 or 3 times or probably even more than that in these glasses case, I think that's cool. And the glasses case itself is dope. So like it's gonna be like a leather design, as you can see here, with the USB-C port, and then you got a button here on the back if you want to go ahead and pair it. Like, it's cool. So I would say go with the Ray-Ban Metas because like the transition, everything, they work good. I think it transitions in about like maybe 30 seconds or something like that in direct sunlight. So you can see it transition now, right? Now let me hop out the whip and let me just show you what this look like more in the sunlight. So I mean, maybe like if you sit in front of a window or something like that, I don't know, maybe it's blocking the UV light. I don't know how Lexus do it, but you can see here, bro, it definitely darkened back up. So when I walk back inside, it's gonna look like some regular glasses. So I think that's dope. Now, if I hop back in here, as you can see, I look fine. And like, actually, yeah, I think it is the window that's actually blocking some UV light, because when I got in there, it definitely was darker than, you know, when I copped out. So yeah, man, I love the Ray-Ban Metas and I do recommend it for sure. These things is cold. But I appreciate y'all for coming through. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Eccentric on Instagram and X, and Facebook, but Instagram and X where I'm most active. And y'all let me know how y'all felt about the Ray-Ban Metas in the comments below, because man, these things are so clean. You got the Ray-Ban logo right here in the glasses itself, like etched in there like all the other Ray-Bans. Like, I don't know, man, maybe it could just be me, but I think Ray-Ban really did their thing with this, Ray-Ban and Meta. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna go get up out of here. Y'all be smooth. Hold up, I'll get up with y'all later. Peace out.